So guys, all of these things are actually for sale. And then my favorite car is right there, McLaren. This is a view of the Palm Jumeirah from 52nd floor, Pakistan. Well, good morning everyone. I'm just leaving my hotel room. And what a lovely morning here in Dubai. So I'm leaving right now with metro. I'm going to the JBR beach area. The Jumeirah Beach residence is one of the most or the most posh area here in Dubai. I haven't got any work today, it's kind of off here. I'm just going there to explore the JBR beach as well as this Marina Bay is also right there. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'm just entering. Alright guys, so I have just reached the JBR beach, which is one of the most famous beaches in Dubai, and this is a water car for water sports and water activities. And to be honest, although it's very hot today, but this place has a good vibe overall. And let me show you around. This is the Jumeirah Beach Residencies, and I think not many people would be around today on the beach because it's a weekday, but that's fine. I'll just go there and relax for a while and maybe go for a swim later. Let's see. Gentlemen, so at this point I realized my mic was not working and I had to put a voiceover now. But here what I was basically saying is that I decided against swimming and even against relaxing here because seriously at this moment the heat was unbearable. And I don't know how these people are chilling here. But for me, even this Red Bull couldn't save me. So I finally decided to go to Five Palm Hotel, which was nearby, and also I had a booking there for tonight. So I think I'll just get a cab and see you there. कहाँ से हो भैया?
मैं पाकिस्तान।
पाकिस्तान।
हाँ।
अच्छा, कब से हो यहाँ पे?
मुझे तकरीबन तीन साल हो गए।
2.5-3 साल हो गए। फिर इंडिया नहीं आए आप? इंडिया आए हो कभी?
नहीं, इंडिया नहीं।
इंडिया आओगे कभी?
इंडिया यार वीज़ा मिलेगा तो।
वीज़ा मिलेगा यार, पाकिस्तान का सही हो जाए थोड़ा सा।
इंडिया में कौन सी जगह?
So German, right now I am at this Five Palm Hotel in Jumeirah. So I'll be staying here for a single night. It's too expensive, so just staying here for the night for experience. Otherwise I'm staying at the Sheikh Zayed Road in the Emirates Hotel in the Sheikh Zayed Road. That is also not cheap of course, but so this place is too expensive, but it is one of the best, or I think one of the top 3 hotels in Dubai. The first is the only 7-star hotel, which is Burj Al Arab. So see, in front of this hotel I'll show you the car speed. So this one is Lamborghini Urus, Lambo truck. Then we have Ferrari, right? Then we have Bentley here, Justin. And then we have Lamborghini, another Ferrari, and then 2 Lambos. This is I think a Lamborghini ST, oh yeah, 63 Aventador. This one right here. And then my favorite car is right there, McLaren. I think it's 720 or I don't know. Check. Spider version of this. So although it looks very cheap recording cars like this, so I'll probably be turning off the camera now. So I'll see you guys inside. Bye. So guys, right now I'm heading towards the poolside area. I think some party is going on. Let's see. Yeah, so basically as soon as I'm here, there are a couple of people who I know, I guess, because there was one of my friends who used to work here in Five Palm. So I told him I was coming. So he introduced me to a couple of people. So I think I'm going to sit by him. But let's continue recording. So this has a nice vibe here. I mean, this is one of the best places you can hang out in if you're in Dubai. Enjoy a cigar, enjoy your morning coffee. And let me show you guys with the rear camera. guys, this is the famous Atlantis, the Palm Hotel, and right now I am on this side of Palm Jumeirah, where this hotel is, and now I am heading towards the other side of Palm, where from the 52nd floor we can get the whole view of Palm Jumeirah. So I will show you guys that in a bit. Gentlemen, here we are, and this is a view of the Palm Jumeirah from 52nd floor, and that's the Atlantis Hotel where we were right now, and that's the new Atlantis, the Royal Hotel. And let me give you a quick 360 of the place. Yeah, also this is one of the most famous sunset points in Dubai, and on the other side you can see the Dubai Eye as well as all the skyscrapers beside that. That's Marina area overall, and right there you can see the Dubai Eye. Yeah, and even you can see the Burj Al Arab from here. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'll zoom it in. Yeah, that's the Burj Al Arab, the only 7-star hotel in the world. And guys, also down there you can see all the private yachts parked there, right? And even we have booked one of them for tomorrow. So keep watching the vlog if you want to join in on the yacht tour for tomorrow around this area. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe, because the future content in this channel is only going to get crazier and better. So stay with me here. See you. Well, good evening, gentlemen. So right now I'm at this Dubai Marina area, and as I was crossing through this area, I saw this very interesting art store. So let me take you guys there. So it's called Gallery 27, and it's at the Dubai Marina Hub. There's a Gallery 27. We're going inside. Hello. Hi. I'm Shazil. Hi. Yeah. So I was just walking around and I saw your store. It's really interesting, like the art and everything here. So can you tell this audience about this car?
So we have this Formula One car. It's real size. It's a collaboration between three professional artists.
Okay.
And connected by our gallery.
Yeah.
It's made of fiberglass, and all the details have been copied from the original.
It almost looks real, right? It's like the real one. Although in the online basis we see it, so they look much more smaller, right? As you guys can see, this looks very big right now. But this is the actual size. So usually when we see it online, actually they shoot it from a very long distance, as well as they are moving very fast. So that's why we are not able to see. But if you can see now, this looks way bigger. And also they have some interesting arts. Basil, can you tell the audience about these arts?
Yeah, actually we have around 54 different artists.
Yeah.
So we have mostly above art category. So here we have a German artist, his name Michel Fritz, and this is his new collection, made it by spray on aluminium. And we have
What about that? Yeah.
another collection by Onderka.
Oh, this Rolex one is great. Can you yeah.
She's a Ukrainian artist,
Okay.
and this art handmade on canvas, oil painting, and acrylic as well, with the neon colors.
Great. So guys, all of these things are actually for sale. When I was passing by, I just thought that these are just for showcase, but they're actually for sale. This particular F1 car is for how much? 250k, 250,000 dirhams. How much is that in dollars? US dollars. So guys, right now I am on the way back to my hotel, and I think it's a wrap up for today. So mostly I will see you ladies and gentlemen tomorrow. Bye. So very good afternoon everyone. So I am right now at this place called the Aya Universe in south side of Dubai. So I think this is a new tourist attraction around here, and this place is basically an immersive walk around experience which basically shows the future of innovation in a very artistic way. So the reason why I am here is that I personally like to explore these kind of places because I'm always looking for new ideas. And coming to these places, I always get some sort of new insight, or I'm always looking for some sort of inner revelation or epiphany which may help me in some sort of future ideas, or if these insights will help me in anything which I'm pursuing in life. So, in order to implement somewhere, I mean, anything can go right when you come to these places because I've been to the Museum of the Future there also. I saw some kind of futuristic things which gave me some ideas. So, once I'm inside, I'll show you guys around. So, bye for now.
Nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Nostalgia, don't you ever slip away. Oh, nostalgia, like a symphony of our memories. Like a symphony of our memories. What if the years turn into gold? The longer we live, yeah, the more we grow. We could be 100 miles apart, but it's never far.
Either the love it, the underdogs on top. And I'm gon' shine, homie, until my heart stop. Go ahead, envy me.